Hello, I'm Neil, thanks for clicking on this video. Usually I'm a tightwad dad, and that's where we try to be happy with what we've already got, as you can see on these words on the screen now. But on this video, I'm going to go against all my tightwad dad principles, and actually we bought a table for the garden. This lovely IKEA Aplaro garden furniture set with table and chairs. I'm going to show you how we put the table together and also how we put the chairs together. And it was pretty straightforward, but we only had one problem, and that's this. I don't know if you can see this. It's not a very impressive bump, and I was worried that we were putting the screws in too tightly or that the screw would come through to the surface, but this is actually the dowel. This is the wooden dowel that's pushed through too far and actually broken through to the surface there. So that's not entirely impressive, but otherwise the table's gorgeous. We love it, and this is how you put together an IKEA Aplaro garden table and chairs. So we pushed them together with the pins and the rubber washers.
From when I was sick, I didn't get out of bed.
And you've got to push the dowels into these 4 posts. Then with the holes in the middle, push them in around the outside. Okay, so the dowels don't go in there like we've done. They go in this side. Okay, so there's 2 holes in the sides. You've got to really follow the picture. So with the sides, make sure these holes are towards you, and it's going to go down like this. And the first dowel goes on the right hand side, the second dowel goes on the left hand side, third on the right hand side, and the fourth on the left hand side, and that should tally with the dowel holes on the table. Do you know what? It is much easier to put the dowels into the table and putting these on instead of like the picture trying to squeeze them into here, because it knackers your hand. At least this way around you can push the dowel down and it just stays there. I don't know how far you're supposed to go down. So it's bringing the wood together, which is good, but then it starts to go crunch and then it really goes down. I don't know when it's supposed to stop. Okay, so this is why this one wouldn't go in. There's a, what is it? It looks like a dead bee. Just some stuff from inside the wood has gone down. Don't know what it is. It looks like plastic. Oh, there we go. Ugh, look at that. What is it? Must be maybe a bit of wood from this. It's gone down. You know, it wasn't a clean hole. Right, so that should work now. Now we put the cross braces in. Next is the legs. You've got to get this thing, and that screw hole lines up with the hole. Up on American vlogging channels, these are knife, like a proper knife. We use the IKEA scissors. Little bag of bits. It's for the back. Arms. Legs. Other back. And the back of the chair. That's the bit we need first. I've made 3 of these wrong, so this is the good one. You need the thin side up, not the deep side. Bag of bits. You need one of these and one of these. And just put it into that hole there. Next, slide this in with the whole side up. Get the right leg. There is a right and a wrong. That's the right side, that's the left side. It's got that groove at the bottom. That's going to go, so this metal bit goes in the groove. And then this hole lines up with that hole. Doing this one-handed. So you get the screw, plastic bit, in the washer, and the nut with the small bit sticking out. You need a spanner to hold one side, and the Allen key to turn it round. Then you get the 2 dowels. So you need these things. Then you do exactly the same on the other side. So I did this before, it's the wrong way. Okay, now we stand it up. So the tube and the screw go here, and then I've got the washer there, and that goes through, and then the nut goes on the other side. And then the same on the other side. So that's it, it's finished. And now we can reveal the table underneath. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ta-da! Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, we also got a parasol to cover this table. So we got I forgot what it's called already, the Siglaro, the IKEA Siglaro parasol that covers this table, and it's just the right size. And you can click on that video on the link in the description, or it's on screen now. Applaro. It's an Applaro. Please sponsor us, IKEA. Oh yeah, that's what we're going to do next. We've got to save up the money for the cushions. That should be ready in about 3 years. So if this has helped, and you reach this point in the video, why not hit the thumbs up to help other people find it? And good luck with your Applaro. If you're feeling even kinder, why not hit the subscribe button, because I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. Don't think I'll ever make it. I'm on 1.5 at the moment, but if you can take me a step closer, that'd be really kind of you. We'll leave a comment. If you've got any questions, I'm sure someone out there might be able to help. See you in the next video.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is gonna be the proper one, right?